What if I told you that Premiere Pro's best features have been hiding in plain sight all along? And chances are that you have never used most of these. Let's say that we want to change the clip in the timeline, but all effects of that clip should be on your replaced clip. This will save your time from copying it from one to another. Hold the Option or Alt while you are dragging that new clip on the timeline and then drop it on top of your old clip. And boom, now you can see that all effects are already applied. That is just one example. Premiere Pro is packed with hidden features like this. Let's jump on them. As you can see, we have created a mask, but making it proportionately correct, it really takes too much time. But for that, we can hold Shift and resize it easily. Need to compare two shots side by side? Premiere Pro has a hidden feature, Comparison View, that makes it incredibly easy. If we go to this icon, you will find it under Program Monitor, or we can just click this icon to toggle it on or off. I'm sure that you haven't used this before. This feature is really helpful. If you ever lost a keyframe because you changed your clip's length, go to Effects and Controls and then go to this menu and then click on Pin to Clip. Now you can find your keyframe easily. How many times have you tried dragging your images onto a timeline to find out that they are like 20 to 30 seconds each, and you might have accidentally dragged them on top of something on timeline you didn't want to delete. Now here is a little secret. Select your images and right click on them and go to Speed and Duration. Now you can actually adjust the length of them before bringing them into the timeline. Now I'm going to set them to 10 frames and hit OK. Now if you drag them to our timeline, they are going to take a lot of less space and be more manageable. This one is my favorite and I'm sure that you will also like it. Have you ever tried to swap the clip, but then suddenly you find yourself rearranging your entire timeline to do that? You can simply do it by holding Ctrl and Alt or Command and Option, and then you grab the clip and swap it. And see, it just swapped. And it's been here all the time, but you just didn't know. If you regularly use the same font in your projects, here is a simple trick that will save you from changing it every single time. And for that, you just need to hit the settings and then graphics. And from here, you can change the default font. And also you can change the default missing font to your favorite one. So those were some of Premiere Pro's hidden features that are easy to miss, but incredibly useful if you know they exist. If you like this video, let me know your favorite feature in the comment box. And please don't forget to subscribe.